Hey everybody, Rima at Eureka Fabrics here, and I want to show you my favorite new project. This is the Presto backpack. How is this a backpack, you may ask? It's so tiny, it's only 4 inches by 4 inches. That's crazy. I keep this in my purse, or I hang it off my purse strap, or I hang it off my belt. You could even stick it in your jeans pocket. It's so little. I mean, look at that. It's in my tiny little paw. It opens up into a good-sized backpack that you can use whenever you need it, especially if you're going to be out all day and you don't have a car to stash your stuff in. Because a lot of us, you don't have a car every day or at all. It depends on where you are. Sometimes you park far away from where you work or where you're going. So you need this guy with you. So like in the morning, you start out, you're wearing a jacket because it's cold, but then it gets warm. So you take your jacket off. Where do you put it? In here. And then it's warm. So you get a bottle of water. And where do you put that? In your Presto backpack. And then you go shopping. And where do you put that stuff? Your Presto has you covered. I just spent 2 weeks in Italy, and this puppy saved my bacon every day. So useful. So this is easy to make. It's easy for even beginning sewists. The kit and the pattern, no matter what version you buy, comes with a video tutorial so that you can sew right along with me. And these make great gifts too. So once you get the hang of it, you can bust a bunch of these out and give them to all your friends, because who does not need this? Everybody needs this. So check it out. I've put the link in the video description, and grab yourself a Presto kit or pattern, and let's get sewing.